Big data means big storage. And for large server or data center operators, this means big decisions on how to balance cost and performance. While traditional hard disk drives offer a low cost per gigabyte, today data needs to be accessed instantly to meet accelerated customer expectations. SSDs satisfy this need for speed, but come at a greater cost per gigabyte. So what is the right approach for IT teams to weigh the cost versus performance of their big storage needs? Enter total cost of ownership, which considers both the capital expenditure to acquire storage and the ongoing operational costs. When TCO is considered, SSDs are the clear winner. A strategically placed SSD at critical points can do the work of several HDDs. And because SSDs deliver more transactional performance with less power consumption, your data center needs less space, power, and cooling. The result? A little more CapEx investment on SSDs up front pays for itself in ongoing OpEx savings. And SSD's faster responsiveness equals more satisfied, loyal users and customers. SSDs also win out when it comes to endurance and reliability. In large arrays, hard disks fail often, 3% per year on average. Enterprise-grade SSDs with vNAND flash fail at just 0.5%, lowering service outage and drive replacement costs. SSDs also come out ahead when it comes to preventing data loss. For HDDs, RAID 6 with more redundancy is a must for business-critical data. But with SSDs, lower levels like RAID 5 or 10 are enough to guard against data loss. Not all SSDs are created equal, though. Client PC-grade SSDs are tempting with their lower acquisition cost, but can drive up operating expenses. Enterprise-grade SSDs are a better choice with their higher endurance and sustained performance, lower failure rates. While cost per gigabyte has its role in TCO, it's only a very small part of a much bigger picture. SSDs perform well on a range of metrics that all factor into a lower TCO. With big data and cloud applications on the rise, enterprise-grade SSDs are the right choice for storage. Visit samsung.com/enterprise SSD to learn more.